Welcome to Discount Benefit Solutions webinar on making a connection with your target audience. In today's webinar, we are going to give you important marketing tips that will help you grow your business. Remember to personalize your marketing approach, which is your message that you're delivering to your audience. Be sure to listen to your customers' needs and find out what truly motivates them. For example, are you speaking with a customer that's interested in saving money? Are they unable maybe to afford their medications? Do they know of somebody else that cannot afford their medications? Or do they simply just like helping others? By knowing this information, you will be able to market towards them better and more effectively. Next, ensure that they understand your product. Keep it simple and to the point. And last but not least, explain to them why they can't live without your product. Get personal with your customers. Show them that you can relate to their problems and that you have been in the same or at least this very similar situation. Paint them a picture versus simply using descriptive phrases. Address their pain points and emphasize their problems. Maybe you know of others who are going through that exact same issue. Make that connection with them. Next, provide the solution. Explain how you can alleviate their pain and help them solve their problems. The next slide is on feeling their pain. There are several approaches that you can go about whenever you're marketing to your customers. The first approach is simply using descriptive phrases like, "Our discount card saves people money on their medications." The second approach is where you're painting your audience a picture. This is the most effective marketing approach. You may say something like, "Have you ever filled a medication only to find out it's much more expensive than you anticipated?" Imagine if you had a free discount card that you could use month after month on your family's medications to save up to 85%. This card never expires and can be shared across multiple people, including your friends and family members. By using approach number 2, you are painting your audience a picture of how your FreeRxPlus discount card is of value to them. They will be much more likely to open up and share additional information with you that will help you market your product towards them. These same approaches are effective when marketing your discount benefit plans. Have you been selling our lifestyle protection plan by simply describing it as 24/7 roadside assistance? Instead, frame a scenario such as, have you ever been stranded along the road with a flat tire on your way to work? Well, if you had our lifestyle protection plan, you would have your flat tire changed in no time without having to get your dress clothes and your hands grimy. Through visualization, you are making a connection with your audience and then providing the solution to their problem. You're making it very difficult for them to say no. The next slide covers a teledoc example. So we all know that another great selling point to our discount benefit plans is teledoc because there's no consultation fee with teledoc, and it also is included in our Premier Health Plan. Some may often describe it as a 24/7 access to a doctor that can be reached by phone or online. While that's true, it's just not quite as captivating as saying something like, "Teledoc comes in handy when your child suddenly comes down with a painful earache and you're trying to get yourself out the door to work." Instead of rushing your child to the doctor across town and waiting for 30 minutes in a waiting room, you can call a certified doctor on the phone and explain your child's symptoms. If needed, that doctor can prescribe a medication and call it into the pharmacy for you to pick up. Crisis averted. By making this personal connection with your customer, they are much more likely to purchase a discount benefit plan from you as they can see themselves in that particular scenario. Now let's talk about how pharmacy technicians want to help others. We have all been there. You're standing in the line at the pharmacy and there's an elderly person in front of you who is ready to break down crying because they can't afford their medications. They are so upset and keep explaining to the pharmacist that they need their medications for health reasons, but they just don't have enough money to cover their prescription costs. It's heartbreaking as you wait in the line, overhearing how that person is struggling. You want to help them, even give them the money needed to cover their medication. You wish you could give them your discount card and explain to them how it can help them save. Now imagine if that pharmacist or pharmacy technician already had your discount card on hand and could help that elderly person fill their much needed prescription. Do you know of any caring pharmacy technicians or pharmacists out there? Share a few of your discount cards with them so they can help our fellow friends who are struggling each and every day. We can't control the skyrocketing costs of medications. However, we can provide a solution and help those who are in need by ensuring they have our FreeRxPlus discount card in their wallets at all times. Now imagine if that pharmacy technician helped just 10 people a day with your discount card. That could lead to 300 claims a month that you earn a commission on. It's a win-win situation. The customer saves on their medication, the pharmacy builds customer loyalty, and you earn by helping others. Thank you for joining us today as we reviewed several marketing tips that can help you in making a connection with your audience. Remember to get personal with your customers so you can take your marketing to the next level. And also remember that the customer must identify with the message you are delivering in order to understand and want your product. Once you have mastered these marketing tactics, you will see your business flourish. For questions, please feel free to email us at info@freerxplus.com or call us toll free at 888-412-0869.